About 2:30 in the afternoon, still the 16th of February. We got a front blowing in. It's extremely cloudy outside. And after I replanted seed and such, came over and rolled about 130 cigarettes. Just something to do. And ordered more supplies, more of the 4 Aces cigarette tubes, and from Windy City Cigar ordered a different tobacco blend. What I've got is OHM Silver, and they said that's kind of an ultra light, and I said, well, it kind of tastes like it. And they have an OHM Natural, and they said that's more of a just natural tobacco blend. Well, send me down a pound of that. We'll try it. Once I find the right blend from Windy City, they're extremely cost effective on their tobacco. So once I find the right one that has the right flavor composition for me, I either bring in 5 1-pound bags or 1 5-pound bag. The shipping's all the same, and then it's extremely cost effective. So, waiting on the birds to come in. They usually start rolling in about 2:30. Before I leave, I got to fill up my bird bath. Getting a lot of birds coming through, and it ain't evaporating, they're drinking. So I'm sitting here. I might pull the carburetor bowl off of my Craftsman mower, make sure it's still clear, and that's no big thing. And kind of hanging out. It's supposed to be sunny tomorrow, but a whole lot cooler. So we'll see. Might take the lowrider out for a little ride. A little local ride, nothing major. And but it all depends on the weather. This is that time of year. Today is about 73 degrees, but tomorrow it's going to be cooler, and next 2 or 3 nights it's supposed to get down to the high 20s. I don't want to mix up the herbicide and spray the grass in my lot and the little cracks. If it rains, it's just throwing money away. So I might wait and do that Saturday or Sunday. Just have to check the weather. Yeah, it's just a real pleasant day other than the cloud and the wind. Don't know if I managed to got my hair cut today. Used to I go 4 weeks between haircuts. Now it dropped back to 3 weeks. The older you get, the faster your hair grows. What ain't falling out. Ain't no thing. But anyway, that's all for this one and all for today. Thank you.